Slowly with your hands. Be careful with them. Oh, he's trying to fly. I know. What's that?
Careful.
You're scaring him.
Guys, stop chasing him. Just sit still.
I tell me about got him. Oh! He's trying to fly. I know. Come here. You can't pick him up. He's too wide. Yeah. Oh, she's being very careful.
Okay, well, let's try to take him back up to his nest.
Yeah, here. I want to pet him.
Okay, let's not try to pet him anymore, because then he gets away. Okay.
Very careful.
Cece, hold the ladder there. Okay.
Oh, the bird's doing okay. It's gonna be okay.
Okay, I got you, Zach. Cece, hold the ladder.
I am. Mom, I got watermelon.
Just a minute. Did he fall again? Y'all are gonna hit. I got it, Zach. All right, I gotta have to do this.